Hi guys, today we'll talk about 10 ways you can create passive income. 10 ways you can create passive income. So if you're interested in ways you can create passive income, ways you can make money online, ways you can get content for your YouTube page, and ways you can grow your YouTube page too, and ways you can grow your social media pages, then this is the right channel for you. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, so whenever I release a content, you get to see it. So let's run through quickly. So number one way you can create passive income is by signing up with Amazon. Now there are different ways you can earn on Amazon. The KDP for publishers, that's the writers of ebook and all other contents that you can write. You can also earn as an Amazon associate. There you get to become an affiliate and sell their products. So that one is even the one you can get even massive income. Even the KDP too is cool. And another way you can earn on Amazon is by signing up for their work from home platform. Sign up for the work from home platform, still on Amazon. I get to take a mini task and do it from home and get paid. So Amazon is our number one. Our number two is YouTube. Start a YouTube channel, an education YouTube channel, entertaining YouTube channel. Just make sure your channel is interesting as possible so that you can get to keep people on your page. So YouTube is our second bet for creating passive income. The third one is stock market. Look for a stock market in your area or anywhere around the world. You can still, since it's an online thing, you can really do it. So get listed with a stock market, sign up with them, become an owner of Adidas, Nike, become an owner of Shell, become an owner of different company. Don't just go and buy from them, get a part of them. So you want to make investments in stock market. Another one is cryptocurrency. There you can mine, you can stake, you can do arbitrage. There are so many ways you can earn in cryptocurrency. So you want to sign up, get started with cryptocurrency. So the other one is Twitch. You can do your gaming and Twitch it, stream it online, let people sign up with you. The major way Twitchers make money is by their subscribers donating to them. Their subscribers, that's even their viewers, they may not even subscribe, but just because you're a viewer and you like the content, you cannot decide to donate to them. So that's another way you can create passive income. Just start twitching. Another way is to generate ebooks, and that's our number 6. Ebook generates massive passive income. You just have to create the book once, upload it to different sites, to Amazon KDP, to Payhip, to Seller, to Robinhood. There are so many platforms that you can upload your ebook to. Then just go on different times to check to know how your ebook is doing. Another thing, you don't just want to upload your ebook, especially if you are a new person, you want to market it. So if you can actually promote your ebook, then direct people to those platforms to pick your ebooks, I bet you'll be smiling to the bank. You'll generate massive income as long as you're good with running your adverts. So another way you can generate money is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can sign up with Shell, so you can sign up with Lemon Ads, you can sign up with Amazon. In fact, you can sign up with Fiverr, you can sign up with, there's so many platforms, they all have affiliate marketing section. Just sign up with them, become an affiliate, promote their content, promote their products, and you start earning. Affiliate marketing is the real deal. I think it's one of the highest paying section on the online market. So you want to leverage this affiliate marketing and get started with creating passive income that will pay you for life. Because once you just promote your links, promote your products, promote the content as an affiliate marketer, you'll be generating so much. Even when you even stop putting links out there, people will still come to the links and the content you have uploaded before, because this is online, it keeps being there. Nobody pulls it down unless you pull it down. So that's another way to generate passive income. You can even sign up to start selling high expensive gadgets. You will think nobody will buy. No, people will buy. And those ones, once you sell one, you know that your commission is really high. So another way is by buying and selling collectibles, or just sell the collectibles you already have. So if you have collectibles, you can sell them. Or another way is to buy and sell them. You can sell your collectibles on Amazon. You can also sell on eBay. So collectibles is another way to generate passive income. So the next one is vending machine. Vending machine is really good. one thing with starting a vending machine business, you just have to look for a strategic site, a site that is very busy. But you have to do an initial investment of buying the machine, which could be a bit expensive. But once you get the machine and you get a strategic site where it's really, really crowded, people are always passing there, then that does it for you. Another thing, also want to make sure that there is security in that area so that your vending machine doesn't get taken away. So these are the things you have to consider. Vending machine is really, really good. Now you don't have to employ anybody to be attending to it. No, vending machine dispenses its products, its content by itself. People just put their coin, put their money, and then they can get their drink, they can get their soda, they can get their beverage, they can get their snack from the vending machine. So vending machine is really, really good. It's really, really nice, as in you can make a lot from it. So another one, that's the last one, that's number 10. You want to create an app, develop an app. Develop an app of what people are looking for in year 2022. Develop an app of what people are searching for in this year, and you will, before you know, people are actually coming to your site, signing up because they really need the content of your app. There are so many apps out there. Some of them, what they have, people don't need, but there are so many that have contents that people need and people are looking for, that people need and people are looking for. So if your app is covering any of those sections, you get people running to you before you know it. And an app is one of the major and it's, in fact, it's like the biggest way you can earn passive income because the money just keeps flowing in. So these are the 10 ways you can create passive income. If you have more ways, suggestions, or comments, anything you have, if you think of there are other ways that we can actually earn passive income, don't forget to just leave it down below. I'll be glad to hear from you.